Hey guys, what's going on? Dylan Northcott here. I'm just at uni at the moment studying for exams that are coming up, and I just thought I'd run through some stretches that you can do at the desk to avoid some pain in your neck or even through the rest of your body just from sitting at the desk for hours on end, either studying for exams or in the office if you work an office job. So I just thought I'd run through some stretches for your neck, for your upper back, and especially for your hips while you're sitting at the desk for long hours. Okay, so all these stretches are going to utilise just the desk and the chair around you, so you don't need any equipment for any of these stretches. The first stretch we'll start off with is just a few basic stretches for the neck. So to start off, I'll get you to grab the chair just underneath it on the right hand side and use your left hand to hold the opposite side of your head and just pull it to that opposite shoulder. You should feel a stretch down just the side of your neck here, and then repeat on the other side. To make this stretch a little more difficult, before you grab your head, rotate and look to that side while still pulling your head down to that shoulder. This puts the muscle in a more lengthened position, which stretches it to a greater extent. So we've stretched the muscles on both sides of the neck. Now we want to stretch the muscles on the front and the back. So we'll do this by tucking our chin to our chest and looking to the ceiling. So now we'll focus on some thoracic spine mobility through some exercises that you can do while at the desk. So the first one, we'll start off by creating thoracic spine mobility through rotation. We'll do this by sitting front on at the desk, using your right hand to hold the back of the left hand side of the chair and just pulling yourselves around. Use the other hand if needed. And then just again on the other side. You should really feel this through your upper back and through your lat on the side that you're turning away from. Okay, so another stretch that we can do for the upper back and thoracic area is a stretch specifically for the lats. So you want to make a bit of room on the desk in front of you. Put your elbows on the desk, sit the chair back a little bit, and tuck your head down between your elbows. This is a great stretch for the lats. So now we'll focus on some stretches for the lower body, specifically the glutes and the hamstrings, because as we sit, those muscles are actually put through a lengthened position and they become tight in this lengthened position and they're unable to function properly when we go to perform functional movements outside of the desk or office. Specifically the glute medius muscle, and this glute medius becomes quite stuck and rigid in its movement. So we're going to try to free up this glute medius muscle by putting our hip into full external rotation. Mine's quite lacking as I've been sitting for a long period of time. And then apply pressure downwards onto the knee. You should feel a stretch on the side of your hip. Switch to the other side. You may need to hold your foot in position. So the final office stretch that we're going to go through is for the hamstrings. You'll just have to sit on the edge of your seat, put one leg out straight and reach for your toes. To make this stretch a little harder, keep your back straight while still reaching for your toes. So a lot of people are in exam period at the moment, working hard on studying for their exams. I hope some of these stretches help and they continue to improve your training. Thanks for listening.
I said thanks for listening, not thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.